It's gonna be the first day that I have ever attempted to put two full-size motorcycles in my Toyota Tacoma. All right, I panicked and I let off a little too soon. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are on the dual sports. I'm with my dad. I got my son Trey with me. We're on Chakalaka Mountain and we are gonna be riding some trails today on the dual sports. It'll be my son's very first trip ever on a dual sport. He got him a 2007 KLX. He's super excited to ride it. He's new to it. He did get his motorcycle license just yesterday. So y'all stick around, we'll see what we get into. Trey, just take it easy. Make sure you're changing your gears. Listen to the bike. Whenever we start climbing the hill, if you're too high of a gear, you need to lower it back down a gear. Use your clutch every time. Don't hit your clutch then change. Hit your clutch, change, and then let off. Slid the bike?
No, I mean I didn't lay it down.
Oh.
I was going sideways, balancing it.
Oh my god.
It scared the crap out of me, but it was fun.
No. Oh, don't lay it down. Pick it up, pick it up. Yeah, I'm on a log. Ah! Dang it.
You gotta commit.
I don't want to get my feet wet. Dadgummit! Well, we're in the woods. Me and Trey just crossed this creek. I did it very unsuccessfully. I put a foot down right in the middle. Trey made it all the way across, but the water still come over his feet. We now have on wool socks that are soaking wet. Daniel is on the other side of this creek, and it's pretty deep. He's fixing to go. Let me... Oh! You hit the same hole I did. I told you. I told you. What you ringing out there, Trey? He's soaking wet. No, pick it up.
Now we all get boots in the water.
Oh no.
He didn't make it real far. No, you're good. You got it, Carl.
You're so,
Yeah, you saw me. I just stopped. I just stayed in the water. I was like, dang it.
mash your clutch.
Rev it.
Rev it. Whoa, whoa, whoa. You're right. Get it up. Well, guys, Dad took a sharp left out of the mud. The road goes yonder.
I thought it was a turn.
He's even got his flashers on.
I thought it was a turn.
Midday update. As you've seen, the creek crossing was not a success. I think we all three, now none of us dumped it in the water, but we all did hit a rut. The problem was a Jeep, I think a few Jeeps have been through there lately, and they just rutted it out right in the middle of the creek. So we tried to go where the creek used to be, the bottom used to be, and it was just a drop off. So my front end just went underwater, their front ends went underwater. It was kind of a mess, but it was fun. I've got one wet foot, they both have 2 wet feet each. So, but we're just chilling out here in the middle of Chakalaka. We're literally in the middle of nowhere. I don't even know what road number this is on. It really doesn't get traveled that much, as you can see through the pine thicket behind me. It just hits pines, red dirt road, and then if you go back the way we came in, it's kind of a regular road. So from here back, it really doesn't get ridden that much, unless I think like 4-wheel drive Jeeps come up here and ride it every now and then. But the creek crossing was pretty cool. This spring, we're probably gonna go down there and camp. I think it'll be really fun to just find a good spot, set some hammocks up, take the dual sports back there and just camp for the night. I think it'll be real fun. Trey is doing pretty good for his first time. He's laid it over once or twice? Twice, because he just dumped it again back there. So he laid it over coming out of the creek, and then he laid it over trying to go around an obstacle down here. And Dad just took a immediate left. I noticed my camera wasn't on my helmet, but he come through a mud hole and he whiskey throttled it. It hooked, and he just went, I was looking back at the trail, and it was like he just took a left. He just shot through the freaking woods. It was hilarious. He just disappeared. But I really wish I'd have got that on camera. But
It was a great save.
yeah, I'm gonna keep the camera on because, I mean, it could happen again. We're just gonna keep filming these guys. All right, well, we're gonna get back on it. There's a couple more trails we want to find today. Another creek I think we're gonna go look at, and we're just gonna see what we can find today. We got a couple hours left of daylight, and it's about 50 degrees out right now, but we're sweating from having to manhandle these bikes through some of this stuff we're putting them in. But it's an adventure. We love it. I'm gonna tell you what, I am starving, and I did not bring enough food with me. Daniel's starving, Dad's starving, and it looks like something's been eaten right here. Something laid a big old turd right on there. Don't, Daniel, what are you doing? Don't eat that.
A squirrel could have feed on
Man. All right, so
Definitely a bear.
Daniel is definitely hungrier than I am. We're just joking. That was a Hostess cake, I think. I'm not sure. I think he set it beside a turd, so I'm really not sure if he grabbed the right thing or not. I don't know how good the light is in here. We made it back to the trucks. Got the bikes loaded up. I don't know if you can see them back there, but we got the bikes loaded on the back of the truck. Did you have fun for your first trip?
Oh, yeah.
You like the bike?
Yes.
Finally got him off them video games, got him out in the woods on some bikes. Had a good time. I appreciate you guys watching. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new, hit the subscribe button, and we'll catch you on the next one. Peace.